When you're trying to preview attachments in the Microsoft Outlook, you may sometimes receive an error message like this. So in this video, we would show you how you can fix this in most cases. For the first method, ensure that the application used to open the file is installed. Like for an example, the Microsoft Excel for spreadsheets, the Microsoft Word for documents, and the Adobe Reader for PDF files. Next, you can check the attachment handling settings by going to the File tab, click Options from the left categories, click the Trust Center tab, select Trust Center Settings, and click Attachment Handling. In here, ensure that the option Turn off Attachment Preview is not checked. Then, select the option Attachment and Document Previewers and make sure that the previewer you wish is checked. Then select OK 3 times. For the next method, you might want to enable your Windows Firewall. You can do that by selecting the Start menu, then select Settings. Now on the window, navigate to Updated Security, select Windows Security, click on the Firewall and Network Protection, choose a network file, and then under the Windows Defender Firewall, turn the setting to On. And for the last method, you can toggle some settings in the Registry editor. To do that, select the Start button, and then type the Registry editor in the Windows search field. Now on the window, navigate to this path by copying this location, press Enter, open the App ID, click and change the value data to the following, then select OK. Now those are the methods and tricks in fixing this error message in the Microsoft Outlook. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.